Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Unlock Your Learning. In this video we are going to solve congruency of triangles exercise 20B question number 7. Fine. So what have we got in this question? First of all, let's read and try to comprehend what it says. Fine. So we have it here that it says in the given figure, triangles A, B, C and D, C, B are right angled at A and D respectively, and AC equals to DB. Prove that triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DCB. So, a few things have been given to us in the very starting of the question. See here that ABC and DCB are right angled triangles, right? You can see there is a right angle here, there is a right angle here. Okay, they are right angled at this point, right? A and D. So ABC is right angled at A, whereas DBC, this one, sorry, DCB, or you can say DBC as well, it doesn't really matter. This is right angled at the same thing, that is D. Fine. At a different point, that is D. Now you see that we know that they are right angled triangles at two different points. Now we will see that they have given us one pair of sides which is equal as well. And what is that side? That is AC is equal to DB. So if I zoom in this figure, okay, you can see where is A and where is this D. So here is A, here is D, and here is C, that is forming AC. Okay, this is going to be AC. Okay, this AC is equal to, and this one you can see DB. So again AC equals to DB. This is given in the question. How they have made one symbol for that as well. And what is that symbol? If we closely look at it, you can see that this line here, it is proving that it is congruent, this one dash that has been made. Fine. Okay, so now we have been asked to prove the congruency of triangle ABC and DBC. Fine. Sorry, right, DCB, not DBC, DCB. Fine. So first of all, you can write it here. Okay, what have we got to prove? First and foremost thing, that is to prove we have triangle ABC is congruent to, okay, is congruent to, give me 1 second here, right? So this is congruent to triangle DCB. Fine, DCB. And you can see that first of all, what things are given in the question, that is what we write first, right? So angle BAC or CAB, you can say it anyway, or if simply you can say angle A as well, it is totally fine. Okay, angle BAC equals to angle CDB. Okay, so okay, let me just change it isn't really looking appropriate, so I'll simply do it angle A equals to angle D, and that equals to what? 90-degree angles, and this has been given in the question, right? Because it is a right angle triangle, right angle triangles are of 90 degrees. Fine. Next you see that what have we got here next, that is AC equals to DB, right? AC equals to DB, and same reason will be here as well, that this was given in the question, this is given in the question, or simply write given. Now one thing that we need to identify on our own. So remember that in most of these questions of congruency, two factors will be given and one we have to identify. This is most of the times. It might be that none of the factors might be given and we have to just identify all the three factors. So it can vary, but most of the times two are given and third we have to find. Same is here as well. See that we have got here one pair of right angle triangles that is equal, and one pair of sides that is equal. So remember, right angle triangles means RHS, right? So we will be using RHS method for this, and we have already got two things, that is first is an angle, pair of angles of 90 degrees, then pair of equal sides, and then hypotenuse, right? So equal hypotenuse, this is also very important for proving the congruency using this method. So hypotenuse is the side which is opposite to the right angle triangle, fine, sorry, to the right angle. So you see that the side opposite to a, this angle a, what is it? That is this one, this BC, fine, this one, right? This is opposite. Okay, let me change the color here. Okay, so this is opposite, and second up is what, to angle D. This is angle D, and same thing, opposite to angle D is going to be this BC only, fine. And this is common, this is common in both the triangles, right? If you see here that BC, how is it common? See, BC is here as well. Okay, BC is here and CB here. So basically the order is changed, but the side remains the same. So this means what? Simply we can mention here that, let me change the color, right? So BC equals to CB, and this is common. So therefore it will be equal. Okay, and thus we can say therefore triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DC and B. And what reason do we give? RHS, right angle hypotenuse side, right? Okay, so this is what the reason will be, that is RHS. We have to mention the reason as well, fine. And friends, this is all today. If you are new to my YouTube channel, do not forget to subscribe and leave a like on this one. Till then, take good care of yourselves and bye bye.